In the last session, we covered multiple things. I hope you people may aware. Okay, we covered multiple things related to operators concept. Okay, so now the last finishing touch I want to give in the operators concept. Sir, take a bit very special care about this one, sir. What that thing is, sir, operator precedence. Remember this one. Operator precedence. Okay, you aware already this one, operator precedence. Okay, very simple terminology, sir. Very simple terminology, sir. Take a bit special care. In general what I want to talk in general. If I use plus x, if I use plus x, have you remember, is it unary operator or binary operator? Can you please start? Is it unary or binary? Unary operator, right? Plus x. If I use a plus b, can you please tell what is this one? Binary operator, right? If I use a question mark or colon, this is what ternary operator. Okay, like you know the operators, right? Next, one more. If you consider 10 plus 20 into 3, I'm taking 10 plus 20 into 3. Can you please guide what is the answer? Can you anyone can you please tell what the output we are going to get? 10 plus 20 into 3. So the output here is what the answer we are going to get if I print the value of this one 70. The reason for that is here how many operators are there? Can you please respond? How many operators are there? Two operators are there. So plus and star, which is having highest priority, which is having highest priority. Star having more precedence than plus. That's why first this one will be evaluated. After that, this one will be evaluated. Remember this one, sir. Sorry. First, this one will be evaluated, and then plus operator will be evaluated. So, if multiple operators are there, which operator is required to evaluate first is decided by operator precedence. Remember this one, sir. If multiple operators are there, then which operator is required to evaluate first is decided by operator precedence. Remember, right? Okay. So what is the meaning? What is the meaning of operator precedence? Sir, there are 10 operators are there. Which one should be evaluated first? Yesterday we used post increment operator is there, assignment operator is there. Then I used the word assignment operator will be evaluated at last because assignment operator having least precedence like that. So now the same way, if multiple operators are there, which operator is required to evaluate first, that thing will be decided by operator precedence. Remember this one, sir. Okay. Well, now the important conclusion. What you people should aware clearly right here. So first plus operator is there, and then so here they are like so this operator is called unary operator. This operator is called unary operator. This operator is called binary operator. Binary. This is called a ternary operator. Right? So usually, do you know here if you observe the applying operator for one operand, applying operator for two operands, applying operator for three operands. Definitely applying operator for one operator will become very easy. When compared with this one, sir. So when compared with applying the operator for two operands, sir, three operands is very difficult. Okay, remember this one. That's why. So my compiler is always going to give the precedence first for unary operators because these operators can be performed very easily, and then binary operators, and then okay, ternary operator. General rule, friends. Any programming language, general rule. So highest precedence goes to unary operators. Next highest precedence goes to binary operator. Next precedence goes to ternary operators. Remember, because of difficulty level. Next, one more. In any programming language, if you observe, suppose here x is equal to a plus b minus 20 by 3 percentage. Okay, percentage 4 something like, and 5 something like we have this one, right? So can you please tell first anyway first this one should be evaluated. Okay, at last this total result will be assigned to X. Regarding first this total thing should be evaluated. At last this result should be evaluated to X. Should be evaluated to X. So means that, remember very carefully, sir. Means that. So this total thing should be evaluated first. This result at last we have assigned. So usually assignment operator has least precedence. Regarding that, usually assignment operator has least precedence. Remember this one, because all these things should be evaluated first. At last assignment is going to be happen. So in any programming language, assignment operator will have least precedence when compared with the remaining. Any doubt, friends? Everyone in the position to understand, right? Not required to keep much explanation about this terminology. You respond. Is it clear, right? Okay. Now, so which operators having highest precedence, right? Unary. Next precedence binary. Next precedence for ternary. Least precedence for, okay, this equality assignment operators, right? Assignment operator. Now let me talk, sir, the list in Java, what it's going to follow, sir. So the first priority unary, just now I told, right? Yeah, just now I told. So in that, do you know highest priority will goes to, sir, highest priority will goes to parentheses. Wherever parentheses are there, this is the highest precedence, friends. So first that parenthesis level we require to evaluate. And then, sir, do you know x plus plus, x minus minus. Remember this one, x plus plus, x minus minus. What is the meaning of this one is, do you know, post increment and post decrement operators, and then new operator, and then typecast operator. Okay, typecast operator, new operator, and then typecast operator. Having, sir, these things are more precedence. What is the, sir, here just sorry. Here just observe new. In the middle, sir, plus plus x, minus minus x. Next and after that, s bitwise complement operator. Next a Boolean complement operator. That's all, sir. Can I use the word? All these things are unary operators are done. Yes, post increment, post decrement, new operator, typecast operator. All these things are unary operators only. In that unary also multiple levels are there. Post increment and post decrement having more priority than pre increment and pre decrement, and then bitwise operator, bitwise complement operator, and the negation operator, right? Remember, right? So next, after these arithmetic operators, arithmetic operators, right? So you know arithmetic operators again precedence, star, division, sir, do you know star, division, modulo, these having more precedence than plus comma minus. Remember, right? These having more precedence than plus comma minus. Next shift operators we have to consider. Okay, left shift, right shift, unsigned right shift, left shift operators next precedence. Okay, like that. So next comparison operators. Comparison operators like less than, okay, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, instance of. So for these operators having more precedence, right? And then equality operators, just double equal, not equal, equality operators. Next bitwise operators. Okay, bitwise and having more precedence, and then XR having next precedence, and then R having next precedence. Observe that even though bitwise, these operators having have you observed, right? First highest precedence goes to and then next precedence goes to XR, next precedence goes to R. Remember this one. Next short circuit operators, right? Double and then double R. Double and double R having the next level precedence. So do you know from these things onwards, all are binary operators. All these things are binary operators, right? So first precedence goes to unary, and then binary. In the binary also multiple levels are there. Remember, right? So next after this conditional operator ternary, and at last assignment operators, right? Remember, at last assignment operators having next level precedence like this, right? Okay, but anyway, just the basic idea you people should be aware, but strict rules are available in Java. Which operator will be evaluated first, which operator will be evaluated next, so if multiple operators are there, so the order of operators is always important. That thing is nothing but precedence. This is the precedence chart, what you should be aware. But anyway, for the exam sake, you are not required to remember all these things. Don't worry at all. Okay, just for coverage, syllabus coverage sake, I'm covering these points. Next, evaluation order of operands. This is the most valuable important points. Suppose here best example here I'm taking. Sir, let me cross check these things here. Just observe that. Okay. Now my question is, listen very carefully, sir. I'm trying to take system.out.println. I have one method is there m1. I'm calling m1 of 1 by passing one other argument. m1 of 2 I'm calling m1 of 2 into m1 of 3 I'm trying to take m1 of 3 by m1 of 4 I'm trying to take m1 of 4 I'm trying to take. Next, sir, into m1 of 5 into m1 of 5 I'm taking plus m1 of 6 I'm trying to take. Okay, this is my class. This is just I'm trying to print. Now public static int m1 of int I. If you call any method, what this method is going to do is it will print system.out.println that I value it is trying to print. Next, return I it is going to take care. Okay, now let me remove that println. Just let me take a print. That's also. If I run this code, there are multiple method calls are there. Have you remembered m1 of 1 plus m1 of 2 into m1 of 3 by m1 of 4 into m1 of 5 plus m1 of 6. Can you please guide which some method calls will be executed first? Anyone? Please respond. My question is order of evaluation order of operands. Remember this one. So evaluation order of operands. Evaluation order of operands. operands. Sir, in which order operands will be evaluated? Right? Anyone can you please tell? In which order these operators are going to be evaluated? Okay, very important point. Very important, sir. Can you please guess, sir, which method call will be executed first? Sir, anyway, practical proof. Suppose assume if it is executed first. Assume it is executed first. If it is executed first, assume if it is executed first, now this value is printing to the console. That's why clearly you can expect, boss, this is the output we are going to get. This because of this method call will be executed first. Like you can decide, yes, what the output we will get in this case. Which method call will be executed first? Anyone? Yes, friends. Which thing will be evaluated first? Very important. Yes, good. So expectations, don't worry at all. Okay, whatever your expected output, please let me know. But in which order these things will be executed, I will at last weaken the correct answer maybe. Okay, if your expected answer is not correct, no problem, we will decide. Can you please guide? Can you please tell what is the expected output we are going to get, sir? Yes, friends. Anyone? Perfect, Rahim. Yeah. Now, listen carefully about this one. Observe that. This is the here how many operators are there? Anyone, can you please tell how many operators are there? Operators plus star division again star again plus. So total 5 operators are there. Five operators are there. How many operands are there? Operands means arguments. This is the first one, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, this is the fifth one, and then this is the sixth one. Okay. So now the important point here is there is always operator precedence is there. Operator precedence is there, but there is no operand precedence. There is no operand precedence. Remember this one. Operator precedence is there, but operand precedence is not there. Okay. Before applying any operator, all operands, before applying any operator, all operands will be evaluated from left to right. Remember this one. So there is no operand precedence, and we have only operator precedence. Only operator precedence. Only operator precedence, right? So before applying any operator, before applying any operator, all operands will be evaluated from left to right. From left to right. Remember this one. All operands will be evaluated from left to right. So there is no operand precedence, and we have only operator precedence. Before applying any operator, all operands will be evaluated from left to right. Left to right. Remember this one. So just based on this point, can you please guess which method call will be evaluated first? Before applying all your operators, all operands will be evaluated from left to right. M1 of 1 will be executed. If it is going to execute, sir, it is going to print one value. It will print one value and return that one means here one will be placed. So the value of M1 of 1 is 1. Similarly, M1 of 2, it will print 2, sir, and returns. So now this one will be replaced with 2. Next here 3, sir, it will be replaced with 3. It will be replaced with 4. It will be replaced with 5. It will be replaced with 6. So all these method calls will be executed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First it's going to get. Now the next thing is, sir, here now operator precedence is going to work, sir. Now observe this one, sir. 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 2 into 3 by 4 into 5 plus 6. I'm trying to take. Okay, right? Among all these things, sir, here we have observed star operator, division operator, star operator is there, sir. Among all these things, star operator, division operator, okay, like we have. Now star division having the same precedence. If multiple operators having the same precedence, now left to right. So first this one will be evaluated. 6 by 4 into 5. 6 by 4 into 5. 6 by 4. 6 by 4 means what about its value, sir? Do you know what is 6 by 4? Anyone, can you please tell what about its value? Integral division. 6 by 4. Integral division. Its value is 1. 1 into 5. Its value is 5. So this total result, the value will become 5. 1 plus 5 plus 6, like the result what we are going to get. Any doubt? Friends, are you in the position to understand, right? Sir, now this is the expression. This expression can be replaced with this is the expression. Now this expression can be replaced with 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 into 3 into 3. Next one after that 4 into 5. 4 into 5. Okay, plus 6, like this we are going to get. Now first this one will be evaluated because star having more precedence. That's why 1 plus 2 into 3 will become 6. 6 by 4. Next, this one will be evaluated. Okay, 6 by 4 means 1. So 1. Next, again this one will be evaluated. Sir, 1 into 5 means 5. Okay, 1 plus 5 plus 6. Next, do you know 1 plus 5 will be evaluated? It will become 6. 6 plus 6 means 12. Any doubt? Was, can you please confirm 6 by 4? Is it only 1 or not? 6 by 4. 6 by 4. Int by int. Result is always int. Not a double. Int by int. Result is always int. 12. Okay. Now this 12 will be printed at last after completing all these things. At last it's going to print 12. Maybe my expected answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then at last 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at last 12, my expected answer. Let me cross check. Let me cross check these things. Sir, what is the answer we will get here? Here, Java C test.java. Java C test.java. Next, Java test I'm trying to take. What is the output we will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, followed by 12 itself is the answer. Any doubt? Friends, are you in the position to understand, right? So some people guessed some output. I told right. Your answer are my options. Okay. So this is A, B, C. Next time after that D, compilation fails. Compilation fails. Yes. Can you please guess? Anyone expected some wrong answer? Yes. Anyone? Yes. Good. Amit. The option is 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 6. Okay, some 32, something like. Can you please tell any wrong perspection? Any wrong perspection that people are going to make? The people are going to make, yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 6, 5, 1, 6, 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 6, 12. Okay, some people. Next, any other things? Runtime exception, no, because seems to be everything is appropriate, right? That's why. So any other option? Any other option? Some people may feel, yeah, 4, 5 will be evaluated first, and then okay, 4, 5 will be evaluated first, and then 3, 4, 5 will be evaluated first, and then 2, 3, 2, 3, and then 2, 3, something like that, and then 1, 6, 12 is the answer. Like that. So which one is the correct answer in this case? Please confirm. Yes, friends, can you please confirm which is the correct answer in this case? Okay, the correct answer here is do you know A? Okay, very simple, sir. A. Remember that. So very important terminology. You should aware about what is the meaning of evaluation of operands. Maybe a chance to ask this type of questions also in the exam. So take very special care. We have only operator precedence, but operand precedence. Okay, like that. Can I go for next one? Okay. Now the next thing what I have to discuss. Now the next one what I require to what I have to talk is just listen carefully about this terminology, sir. What about my next? That's all. These are operators. Almost whether you believe or not, almost around 30 to 40 questions we discussed only in the operators concept. Of course, I will convert these things into proper bits style, and I will share with you people, right? Almost multiple questions I cover, each and every corner point also I touch it, sir. So that thing is more helpful for you to answer the questions in the sir exam. Remember that, sir. Now the next topic what we have to take, flow control, the most dangerous topic. But anyway, please take special care. especially related to operators concept, sir, string concatenation operator. Remember this one. It is one very important operator. Sir, they're always going to ask. They're always something like they may ask. You know, here just 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20, 10 plus 20, 20, okay, like plus 10 plus 20, something like they are always going to provide such type of thing. Array plus operator acts as arithmetic addition, or plus operator acts as string concatenation. You people should have clarity first. Sometimes they may ask here, you know, seems to be, can you please print these things? Have you remembered, right? So if any such type of questions are there, very easily we can answer. Yes, friends. Yes, can you please confirm? If any such type of questions are there, very easily you can answer. This knowledge must be highly recommended, sir. One thing. Next time after that, you know, conditional operator, you have to take a bit very special care about this one, because there are multiple questions. There is a possibility, man. Okay, conditional operators like so you require to take a bit more special care about these things also. Okay, like next something like have you remembered, right? Okay, conditional operator, you require to take care. Next something like method return type. Return value is based on the conditional operator. Next one after that, there is a big expression they are going to keep in the conditional operator in the form of nested conditional operator. Nested conditional operator, like you should be in the position to answer the questions very carefully, right? So that's all. So this is operators concept. Next thing what I have to take, flow control. Flow control, just to take very special care. It's also very important for the exam sake. Okay, remember it, especially you know what we call for each loop. Next flow control. Everywhere there are multiple questions related to this concept. Compulsory you should have clear clarity about this one, sir. Okay, like now, do you know, very simple terminology. Very simple, sir. If multiple statements are there, assume that multiple, because if I consider any program, there may be a chance of huge number of statements are there. Okay, in which order the statements are going to execute, the thing itself is nothing but flow control. Array flow. Array, can you please explain the flow of this program execution? Okay, some people are always asking, sir, inner classes are there or some. So I'm not getting where it is going to start. What is the how the flow is going to be happen? Can you please let me know? Sometimes these type of things also. That's why you should have clear clarity about this flow control. In which order the statements will be executed at runtime described by flow control, right? So all flow control statements are divided into 3 categories. Okay, all flow control statements are divided into 3 categories, right? The first category, selection statements. Okay, if you have some multiple options are there, one option will be selected, under that option will be executed. In the first one, if else. In the case of if else, how many options are there? Please confirm. In the case of if else, how many options are there? Can you please confirm? How many options are there, sir? 2 options, either if option or else option. So based on our condition, only one option will be selected, that option will be executed. Remember, right? Okay. So next, second one, the most dangerous, right? Switch statement. So especially for the exam, you require to take very much special care about this switch statement. Okay, switch. If multiple options are there, only one option will be selected, that option will be executed. Such type of thing is called the switch statement, right? Any doubt? Friends, everyone in the position to understand selection statement. From available options, select only one option and execute that option is nothing but selection statements. Okay, so now second thing, sir, iterative statements. Second one, iterative statements, right? So what is the meaning? What the meaning of iterative statements? What it means? What the meaning of iterative statements, right? Very simple, sir. Do you know a group of statements will be executed repeatedly? A group of statements will be executed repeatedly. Such a type of thing is called iterative statements. Sir, which are iterative statements? Sir, for loop. Next and after that while loop. Next do while. Okay, do while. Next and after that for each. Okay, this category is the iterative statements. We have to aware on each and everything about these things, right? Compulsory you people should aware. Are you in the position to understand? Please confirm. Everyone in the position to understand, right? Okay, selection statements, iterative statements. A group of statements should be executed iteratively. Okay, not irritative, iterative. Iterative statements. Okay, next. Sir, do you know to transfer the control from one place to another place, there are some transfer statements are there. To transfer the control from one place to another place. Okay, to transfer control from one place to another place, sir, we have transfer statements are there. Okay, one such type of statement, break. Next and after that, continue, break, continue, return, break, continue, return. Okay, try, catch, finally, okay, try, catch, finally, even assert also, which came in the 1.4 version. These are things are transfer statements. Remember these ones, sir. These are transfer statement. Very simple, sir. Very simple. Suppose you are in the for loop. Okay, assume that you are executing. Assume you are executing for loop. So there is some for loop. I wrote a big code is there, sir. Assume that a big code is there. Okay, like sir, I have a big code is there, sir. Like a for loop, there is a big code is there. Suddenly, here in the middle, I use a break statement. Suddenly in the middle, I use a break statement. Can you please confirm? Now the control will goes to. Please confirm. Now the control will goes to. Now the control will goes to here. Regarding break immediately, the control will be transferred to out of for loop. So transfer statements. Remember this one. Suppose instead of break, I'm taking continue. If inside the loop, if I use continue, then directly the transfer will goes to the next iteration. Remember this one. It is not going to execute remaining part. It won't execute remaining part. Directly it will go to the next iteration. This type of thing is nothing transfer statements. Remember, right? Okay. Next, even. Okay. Even, do you know here try, catch, finally also. Sir, in the try, if an exception got raised, immediately the control will goes to catch block. Okay, if there is no corresponding catch block, immediately the control will goes to finally block. Remember that immediately the control will goes to finally block. Okay, like so you people should be aware, try, catch, finally. This type of thing is also by default considered. Yes, sir, is this type of thing is also for control statements only. Remember, right? So what the difference between iterative statements and cursor? Rahim is asking, what is the difference between iterative statements and cursor? So the answer is very simple, Rahim. Very simple. I have some statements are there. These statements I want to execute iteratively, multiple times. Then better to go for iterative statements like while loop, do while loop, for each loop. Like, sir, can you please do that? But now my requirement is, it is not. So I have one collection is there. Assume that I have one collection is there. In this collection, multiple objects are there. These objects I want to get one by one. If you want to get these objects one by one, okay, then cursor concept is required. Cursor concept applicable for collections. Iterative statements can be applicable, of course, for collections, of course, for normal statements also. Clear, Rahim? Cursor is not new concept. It's already existing concept related to collections concept. Amit, it's already existing concept. Of course, iterator, list iterator, list iterator. Okay, like we have enumeration. These are things are called cursors, which are related to our collections concept. Okay, well, try catch, Amit, try catch, don't worry at all. Okay, within the try block, if any exception rises, immediately the control will goes to corresponding catch block. Remember that within the try block, if any exception got raised, immediately the control will goes to corresponding catch block. Transfer control from try to catch block, something like in exception handling I will discuss. Don't worry, try catch finally is also considered as exception, I mean transfer statement only. Remember this one, sir. Okay, like sir, up to this is it clear? So now have a look once. So all three categories are there. Three categories are there. Selection statements. If you have multiple options are there, among these, can you please select one option and execute that option? Is called selection statement. Iterative statements, right? Iterative statements are nothing but for while, do while, for each. For while, do while, for each. Okay, like a group of statements are required to execute iteratively. Then we require to go for iterative statements. Next, transfer statements, right? To transfer the control from one place to another place. Then we require to go for transfer statement. Break, continue, return, try catch, finally, etc. These things are by default considered as these things are by default considered as transfer statements. Cursors are related to collections concept, not here. Raja, are getting cursors are related to collections concept. It is not a general concept. It is applicable cursors concept applicable only for collections. Okay. Up to this, any doubt? Can I start the Sima? Can I start the Sima about the first category? If else. Okay. Now have a look once, sir. If else statements. If else statements. Okay. Now, if else statements. If else statements are very easy. If else statements are very easy thing. Don't worry that. What is the syntax for if else? Very important. What the syntax for if else is? If I'm taking if of b, b I'm trying to take such some action if b is true. Some action if b is true, sir. If b is true. Else I'm taking some action if b is a false. If b is a false, like this I'm trying to take. Okay, if else. So if of b action if b is a true, else action if b is a false. Okay, like so now based on the Boolean condition, the corresponding either if a block else block is going to execute, sir. So the first important question for the exam say this argument should be Boolean type. Remember that this argument should be Boolean type. By mistake, if you are using any other type, immediately error we are going to get, sir. So the argument to the if statement should be Boolean type. By mistake, if you are using any other type, then we will get compile time error. Remember it, okay? Sir, based on this, sir, I want to talk some possible options. Remember this one, sir. Sir, now coding snippet 1. I want to take snippet 1, sir. Here my snippet is just observe that int x is equal to 0. Int x is equal to 0. If of x system dot out dot println hello I'm trying to take. Next system dot out dot println, sir, hi I'm trying to take. This is my first coding snippet, sir. Okay, coding snippet 1. Assume that snippet 1 I'm trying to take. Okay, now my next snippet 2 I'm trying to take. What my snippet is, now listen carefully about this terminology, friends. Snippet 2, same thing what I'm trying to take here. Assume x is equal to 10 or otherwise x is equal to 0, no problem. Now my same condition snippet 2 is yes, x is equal to 10 taking. Sir, if x is equal to 20, can you please tell what is the output like I'm trying to take? Next third case, sir, snippet 3. Okay, snippet 3 is a bit important. Okay, a bit important, sir. Snippet 3, sir. X is equal to 10 if x double equal to 20. If x double equal to 20, like this I'm trying to take, sir. Next, snippet 4. Now snippet 4. Now assume that I have boolean b is equal to true. Sir, it is a very important case. Now observe, b is equal to false. B is equal to false. Sorry, b is equal to false, but b is equal to true. I'm taking, sir. Now snippet 5, last one, don't worry. Snippet 5 I'm trying to take. What's my snippet 5 is? B is equal to false if b is equal to false. I'm trying to take. Okay, so total 5 coding snippets are there. Don't worry, sir. Can you please tell among these coding snippets, so which cases, which of the following will raise compile time error, and or which of the following cases will execute properly? Maybe a chance of this type of questions, right? Sir, observe my question style is, okay, consider the following coding snippets. The following coding snippets. Okay, like now all these things are there. In which of the following cases? In which of the following cases we will get compile time error, like I'm trying to take, sir. So now coding snippet 1, in coding snippet 1, okay, coding snippet 1, coding snippet 1, snippet 2, snippet 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. In which cases can you please tell? In which cases can you tell we will get compile time error? Yes, friends, one by one we will discuss. Sir, please guide. What about first one? Is it valid or not? Respond. Is it valid or invalid? Immediately compile time error we are going to get. What the reason for that is, if is always expect a boolean, but you provided that, sir, intertype. That's why it is invalid. Remember this one, sir. Coding snippet 1. So the argument to the if statement. The argument to the if statement is always boolean, but we provided is always boolean, but we provided intertype. That's why it is the error. Okay, perfect. First one is 1. Can you please tell what about second? Is it valid or invalid? Second case, is it valid or invalid? The reason is, now observe carefully. What is the x value? 10, sir. What is the x value? 10. Now x is equal to 20. What will happen is, it is assignment but not comparison. It is assignment operator but not comparison. That's why. So 10, 20 both are equal or both are not equal. Sorry man, both are. It is not comparison. It is just a simply assignment. Now x value will be assigned to 20. If of x means if of 20. Again you are passing finally intertype to the if statement. That's why immediately compile time error we are going to get, sir. So the argument to the if statement we are passing, sir, int, we pass intertype. That's why compile time error we will get. Sir, can you please tell, is it valid or invalid? Anyone please respond. Is it valid or invalid? Respond. Here comparison. So 10 and 20 both are not equal. Means false. False means high is the output we are going to get. Perfect. It is the valid, sir. High itself is the answer. Next, sir, can you please guide? Is it valid or not? Valid or not? For valid or invalid? Remember, here we are using assignment operator but not comparison operator. Here we are using assignment operator but not comparison operator. Is it valid or invalid? Can you please guide? Yes. Is it valid or invalid? 100% pakka it is valid. What is the reason is, sir, b is the false boolean value. Now b is equal to true. Now the value of b will become true. Now the value of b will become true, sir. Now the point, or now the question is, anyway assignment, but after the assignment it is always boolean type. After the assignment it's always what type? Boolean type. It's always boolean type. That's fine. Boolean type. That's fine. Do you know? So if of true means hello is the thing which is going to execute. So the output here we are going to get is hello sir. It is a valid because we are passing boolean. Can you please guide in this case what the output we are going to get? Is it valid or invalid? Friends, is it valid or invalid? Valid. The reason is false double equal to false. False double equal to false. Both are equal. Primitive comparison, both are equal. Now it is the true. True means this if block will be executed. If block means hello is the answer we are going to get. Any doubt? Yes, friends. Are you in the position to understand what is the here like coding snippet 4? Some people are not understanding. Sir, observe here boolean b is equal to false. What the current value of b? False. Now here assignment is happening. Now the b value will become true. Now the b value will become true, sir. Okay, it is assignment is going to be happen. Now the b value will become true. If of true means hello will be executed. Yes, assignment only, but after assignment the result is the boolean type. That's why we are not having any error. Shubham, getting right? Assignment, no problem, because after assignment the result is always boolean type. That's why valid. Okay, now so this is one thing. So in which coding snippets we will get the error, sir? Can you please confirm? In which of the following cases we will get the error? A, B, C, okay, D, and then E. Anyone can you please guide in which cases we will get the answers? A, B, C, D, E. Please guide. A, it is invalid. We covered already coding snippet 1. B case also invalid. B case also invalid. A invalid. Coding snippet 1 invalid. Next coding snippet 2 invalid. But 3 valid, 4 valid, 5 valid. That's why only A and B. In which of the following cases we will get compile time error? A and B. Correct? Bhaskar, you can take anything, but at last the argument to the if statement should be boolean type. That's all. Syntactically, whatever you are asking is a value. Yes, friends, any doubt? This is the most dangerous. I mean, this is the dangerous thing what you people are going to get. Okay, take a bit special care about this one, sir. Suppose. So just Bhaskar is asking one more case, just based on the same. Here is a doubt here. Int here just observe that boolean b is equal to true. I'm taking int a is equal to 10. Int a is equal to 10. Int b is equal to 20. I'm trying to take. Sir, if of b is equal to sorry, here this is already b, right? Okay, b I took, sir, int I int j I'm trying to take. Int I int j. B is equal to I double equal to j, like this I'm trying to take. B is equal to I double equal to j, like I'm trying to take. Can you please observe what is the output we are going to get if I run this code? Anyone? Yes, friends. What is the output we are going to get? This is the doubt asked by Bhaskar. Clear, right? Not required to keep any explanation. If of b, so I double equal to j, false, false. This false assigned to the b. Now the b value will become false. False means high is going to getting the chance. Bhaskar, correct, right? Let me execute this code. High will be executed, right? Maybe a chance to have this is also just let me frame into the question type. Okay, this is what is the result. What is the result? Like this, I'm taking a high. Next and after that b, hello. We are going to get c, no output. D, compilation fails. Okay, like sir, can you please tell what the answer we are going to get? What the answer we are getting, sir? Yeah, just simply high is the answer, because the reason for that is this result is always false. Like, yeah, good. That's all. Next, one more thing is there, but this one is not that much important for the exam sake, but observation must be required. Must be required, friends. So now, do you know here for the if statement, curly braces are mandatory or optional? Can you please confirm? For if statement, curly braces are mandatory or optional? Optional. Else is also optional. You can take only if of b, that's all. If of b, like else is not required. Array, if it is the true, this body will be executed, sir. This body, if it is the true, this body will be executed. If it is not true, then automatically this body won't be executed. Okay, like that. So else, no else. So just like a flag, if it is the true, it will execute. If it is the false, don't execute this one. Okay, like else is optional. Next, curly braces also optional. If you have only one statement, okay, remember this one. Curly braces is also optional if you have one statement. Right? Yes, friends, correct? Curly braces also optional. Not only here, sir, even in the case of loops also, very important. Without the curly braces are optional. Without curly braces, we can take only one statement under if. Any doubt? Please confirm. Is it valid or not? Respond. Yes, valid. Now my question is, listen very carefully, sir. Again, coding snippets I want to introduce. Here, see this at this point well. Here, my question is, okay. Now I'm trying to take. Okay, like, sir, if here, just observe that. If I'm trying to take, if of true. Next, system dot out dot println of hello. System dot out dot println of hello, like this I'm trying to take. This is my code. Okay. Next, coding snippet 2, sir. If of true, semicolon I'm taking. Of course, semicolon is a valid statement in Python, in Java, sorry. Semicolon is a valid Java statement, which is also known as empty statement. It won't do anything, sir. But semicolon, wherever Java statement is required, happily you can take semicolon, no problem at all. Now int x is equal to 10 I'm taking. That's all. Now only one statement is like int x is equal to 10. Now I'm trying to take if of true. Okay. Now my question is, curly brace open, int x is equal to 10 I'm trying to take. That's all. Beautiful. Sir, coding snippet 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, like 4 snippets are there. In which of the following are valid? You have to type, friends. Which of the following coding snippets are valid? Anyone? First one, perfectly valid. No problem at all. But second one, perfectly valid, no issue at all. Third one, perfectly. Third one, yes. Okay, take a bit special care about this one. You people are not listening my videos, it seems. Okay, compulsory before coming to this session, I shared already videos, right? Videos link better to listen and then come to this session so that you will get much clarity. So now 100% pakka, this one is invalid, but it is the valid. But this one is the valid, but it is invalid, but this one is the valid. What is the reason? Just have a look once, sir. If of true, just I'm taking system.out.println, system.out.println. Hello, I'm trying to take perfectly valid. Hello will be printed to the console. If you want, you can cross check. Valid. Hello will be printed to the console. Okay, well. Next, instead of this, you can take semicolon. Instead of this semicolon, yes, semicolon is a valid statement, which is also known as empty statement. We won't get any output to the console. Valid, but the answer we are going to get no output at all. Valid, sir. We never going to get any error. But int x is equal to 10. If I can take like this, sir, perfectly invalid. Compiler is ready to give left and right. Observe carefully. It's a compile error. Variable declaration not allowed here. Variable declaration not allowed here. If you can take within curly brace, inside curly braces, if you can take the same statement, now it will become valid. Inside curly braces, if you can take the same statement, now it will become valid. So what is the reason for that? Very important, sir. Understanding this one. Okay. So now my question is, among these 4 coding snippets, sir, in which of the following cases, which of the following coding snippets are valid? Like, sir, just I want to take. Okay. Consider the following coding snippets. Which of the following coding snippets are okay? Now observe this one, ABD. What the reason? What is the reason for that? Okay, what the reason for that? There is a clear reason is there, Neha. It is not just a syntactical rule. There is a reason is there. What is the reasoning is? Sir, observe a bit carefully. Without curly braces, how many statements you can take? How many statements we can take? Only one statement. With the curly braces, how many statements you can take? Any number of statements you can take. Yeah, any number of statements you can take. So now, if you are not taking curly braces, means your if block ends after completing the first statement. Now the remaining nowhere related to if. Correct, right? Now the remaining nowhere related to the if, because sir, after first statement, if block ends, now the remaining statements are nowhere related to if. Now here see, I declare a local variable. I declare a local variable. This local variable I can use in the remaining lines inside this block. Sir, if we declare any local variable, you can access only in that block. Outside of that block, we can't access. Already I told. We can access only in that block. Outside of that block, it is not allowed. We can't access. Now, without the curly braces, we are taking only one statement. That statement is just I'm declaring a variable. Sir, you are declaring a variable. You are assigning some value. You are declaring a variable. You are assigning some value. You are assigning some value. But after assignment, after completing this line, you can't use that variable anymore because that block completed with this one statement only. Remember this one, sir. You declare a variable. You are performing initialization. You are performing assignment, but you can't use that variable. Compiler will give left and right why you declare such type of variables. Are you getting the reason? Getting right? Yeah, but here once we are taking curly braces, why compiler is not objecting? Once we are taking curly braces, why compiler not objecting? Sir, because why it is not objecting? Because very simple, sir, very simple. Here in the remaining lines, because maybe a chance of remaining lines, in those remaining lines you may use this variable. In the remaining lines you may use that variable like so compiler is going to fill. That's why once we are using curly braces, within the curly braces you can take only one statement that can be declarative statement. But without curly braces, we can't take a declarative statement. Remember this one, sir. By mistake, if you are taking declarative statement without curly braces, immediately comparative error we are going to get. Have you observed, right? Clearly compiler is telling error variable declaration not allowed here. Are you getting the point, right? Yes, friends. This is in the case of C. What is the problem we are getting? Variable declaration is not allowed. The reason for that is it is the scope related issue. Okay, that's it.